Welcome to our tutorial on 7 different techniques of using the LAMBDA function in Excel. LAMBDA is a powerful tool that allows you to create custom functions to perform various calculations efficiently. Technique 1. Convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's start with converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. To do this, we use the formula equals LAMBDA open parentheses Celsius comma Celsius asterisk 9 divided by 5 plus 32 close parentheses open parentheses select value close parentheses press enter key. Excel calculates the corresponding Fahrenheit temperature based on the Celsius value provided. Next, let's calculate the hypotenuse of a right triangle. To find the hypotenuse based on the lengths of the two sides, we use the formula equals LAMBDA open parentheses a comma b comma square root open parentheses a cap 2 plus b cap 2 close parentheses open parentheses select value comma select value close parentheses press enter key. Excel then automatically calculates the hypotenuse based on the lengths of side A and side B. Moving on, let's calculate the area of a circle using the formula equals LAMBDA open parentheses radius comma pi open and close parentheses asterisk radius cap 2 close parentheses open parentheses select value close parentheses press enter key. Excel calculates the area based on the radius value provided. The resulting area is automatically calculated and displayed. Now, let's generate a sequence of numbers from 1 to n with the formula equals LAMBDA open parentheses n comma sequence open parentheses n close parentheses open parentheses select value close parentheses press enter key. Excel generates the sequence based on the value of n. Sequence is then displayed in Excel. Next, let's calculate the mode of a list of numbers using the formula equals LAMBDA open parentheses values comma mode dot SNGL open parentheses values close parentheses open parentheses select range close parentheses press enter key. Excel calculates the mode based on the provided list of values. The mode is then displayed in Excel. Moving forward, let's check if a number is a perfect square with the formula equals LAMBDA open parentheses n comma square root open parentheses n close parentheses equals integer open parentheses square root open parentheses n close parentheses close open parentheses select value close parentheses press enter key. Excel returns true if the number is a perfect square, otherwise false. Lastly, quickly determine whether a number is even or odd using LAMBDA. First, enter your numbers in column A, starting from cell A1 downwards. In column B, enter the formula equals if open parentheses LAMBDA open parentheses x comma mod open parentheses x comma 2 close parentheses equals 0 close parentheses open parentheses select value close parentheses comma inverted comma start even inverted comma close comma inverted comma start odd Inverted comma close parentheses, press enter key. This formula checks if the number in column A is even or odd. 7 different techniques of using the lambda function in Excel to perform various calculations efficiently. Experiment with these techniques to streamline your Excel workflow and tackle complex tasks with ease.